The second is the industry chain. What about semiconductors? It's a global scale. Arrange a node of the Beijing industrial chain. For instance, it's product R&D, just IP design, XP factory manufacturing, then closed beta testing, distribution, then including downstream assembly and processing, etc. On a global scale, an industry that can be distributed. In terms of this industry, to be competitive, some have completed the IDH comprehensively. For example, like Samsung, like Intel, done this way. All invested. But for our small business, it's concerned. To join this industry, you need discourse power. What should we do? You are in one of the above nodes. Capture the most critical nodes, put it on top of this node. More competitive. Then we have Huaqiangbei and King Kong. Our R&D in this area is the strongest in the industry. Utilize our new product to drive industry development. Our goal, despite the significant industry influence, our physical strength is insufficient for effective brand promotion. This part of our product iteration is still ahead. It's ours. I want to ask for it to become an industrial chain. The main man of a specific node can be in this field, acquire a level of speech power, have an impact, obtain profit.